up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to yet again another video. So I wanted to film this quick unboxing for these two packages that have arrived. I just kind of want to show you what I have been picking up lately. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and leave a like on this video, which helps a ton to my small channel. So with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and unbox these two pieces here, which have been, calling out my name lately. So just want to see what's up. And this one right here, I believe I know what it is because I see the cross made with tape. Both of these items I think are from my favorite seller, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So right here we have a Represent Owners Club crewneck in this beautiful dark red color. Now this one right here is my third crewneck. I've been adding like the essential colors. This one right here is like this beautiful red color. I own the black one and I also own a dark green, which is so beautiful. Now here you have the front of the crewneck with the logo on the chest, and then on the back, which is pretty much the best part of this crewneck. Just beautiful logo, nice print, heavyweight, good quality. I always buy from this seller because of that. He knows what he's doing. The sizes are accurate. Sizes are actually American sizes, so you don't have to worry about sizing up or sizing down. Anyways, now continuing with the unboxing, let's go ahead and see what I got in here. I'm just trying to open these packages without cutting the item that's inside. Oh, okay. So, oh wow. I thought I had bought the black one, but most likely I didn't. Alrighty, so this one right here is a full Buxton knit crewneck. I actually do own this exact same one, but in the gray colorway. There is a review for that item in one of my prior videos. But I decided to go ahead and buy this cream color. In that video I actually said I have purchased the black color, but no, my mistake. I actually bought the cream color. Like I said with the prior crewneck that I have purchased, there isn't any branding on the crewneck itself. So if you care about showing the brand of the pieces that you wear, this one won't be one of those. So here, just a quick look. Now, these crewnecks right here are so soft and cozy. Like, I love them, okay? Just a big fan of them. Super nice quality. Now, quality-wise, when it comes to like how delicate the piece is, it is a very delicate piece, okay? So if you're one of those people who doesn't know how to take care of their clothing items, or just doesn't care to take the time to learn, I don't suggest you buy this piece, okay? But this was all for today's haul. I appreciate every single one of you taking your time to click and finish this video. If you did, thank you so much. Again, I'm sorry if I took too long to finish this, like two-piece haul, but regardless, I appreciate you all. I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.